In this video, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. So to do this, first have a tab open where you're signed into your Supabase account, and then open up Lovable, and then just go to your project that you want to connect with Supabase, or alternatively you can go right here and then go to settings in there, but I'll use it for a specific project. And then what you want to do is click on the name right there and also go to settings. So just make sure you are in your settings. Then from there you can go under integrations to Supabase, and then here click connect Supabase. Now the reason you want to have a tab open where you're signed in is because then it will sign you in automatically, as you can in here select an organization to grant API access to. So then here you can see everything that it can do. Now click authorize Lovable. And now it is connecting to Supabase, and you can now see I have now connected my Lovable workspace with my Supabase organization. Now you can also add more if you want, then continue. Now you can connect the project you want or create a new one. I'll just connect the one I have right there. And now Supabase has been connected, and you can now see in the chat log, connect to Supabase project, your app is now connected, and then now you can choose what you want to do with it. So now you know how to connect Supabase with Lovable. So now you know how to connect Lovable with Supabase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.